everyone, it is Sparkle and I am back with another tablescape video. You can tell by the title that this is for Valentine's Day. So let's talk about this table setting before I get started. Mostly everything in this table setting that I'm going to use, I shopped my home. I went out, I spent $1. Yes, $1 at the Dollar Tree, and this is what I bought. I bought these right here, and these are so pretty. Only $1. They have them in pink also, so if you want to go out and purchase these, they're at the Dollar Tree. Now last year I got from the Dollar Tree were these hearts. They sell these every year, so it won't be hard to find, but these I used last year, and I will post that link in the description bar if you want to watch it. And these ones I use this year, and I will post that link in the description box just in case you didn't see it. But like I said, everything else, you guys, I shot my home. So let's get started with this tablescape. Okay, so we're going to start off with these dishes. These came from Home Goods. They're white with the chrome around it. So we'll start off with these. And if you have some white plates at home, you can use them. It doesn't matter what shape they are, round, square, you can use them. If you have two round, two square, you can mix them up like that also. And these hearts, you guys, I'm going to place it on top of my plate. I'm just doing a really simple, clean look. You guys see that? You guys can see that. Placing these coasters, they are silver and they have the glitter. I'm going to place those right here, like so, on the right side, the upper right side. So, place those just like so. And I'm going to use, for my stemware, I'm going to use these champagne flutes. These came from Home Goods and it's by Kate Spade. You guys, I love these glasses. Look at these. They have the silver, well not silver, gray polka dots on them. These are so beautiful. So it was a pack of 4 when I bought these, and they were only $14.99. So I bought these a couple years ago. I just love these. They are so beautiful. Okay, now for my napkins. These napkins I got from Pier 1, and I just made them really small. I folded them up really small. This napkin ring came from Z Gallery. What is the napkin ring called? Giselle. Yeah, so it's called Giselle. And also, this is another option. You can use these. These came from the Dollar Tree. And I got the bling wrap and just put it around the napkin ring. So you can do that, but I'm going to use both of them for the purpose of the video. So I'm going to place the Giselle napkin rings at the head of the table. And the ones that I got from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to place them, right here. Try not to make this video so long, you guys. Okay, so now we're going to do the centerpiece. And for my centerpiece, I'm going to use, where did I get? Okay, I'm going to use this candle holder. It's white, faux marble. I don't know if that's picking up. Yeah. And this came from Ross for $6.99. And my candle came from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use that. And I have this tray. I've had this for a long time, but here we go. And it is mirror on the inside. Yeah, this came from Ross for $10. I'm gonna place this on the table like so. Just like this. Kind of slanted it just a little bit. And slant it like that. I think this is how I want to. And this vase came from Family Dollar, and it's faux like marble. It's not real marble, but this is ceramic. Is it ceramic? It's breakable. So, and I'm gonna place it in the tray. But I kind of turned it just a little bit. And I'm going to add these flowers. Look how pretty these are. These came from Pier 1. These are old. So I'm going to place the flowers in the base, just like that. And one more thing that I'm going to add to this tablescape are these. Remember, these came from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it in the glass like that. And that makes it look really pretty. This one wants to dance around, but okay. Okay, you guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're gonna light the candle, and we are gonna get a close up, and we're gonna do, we're gonna switch things out just a little bit. So let me light this candle. changing out the centerpiece, I'm going to use this wreath that I made, this DIY that I did. I got the wreath at the Dollar Tree, and I just put in these roses that came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to finish it up right in here.